Hi everybody, welcome to science. Today we're going to learn about the theory of plate tectonics. Lots of new words, right? So let's review. Earth has three main layers, right? The crust is the layer that has the continents and the oceans. The crust is the coolest layer, and the crust is the layer we live on. The mantle is the middle layer. It is warmer and it has some melted rock. The center layer is called the core, and that one is very, very, very hot. So let's say them again. Crust, outer layer, coolest layer. Mantle, middle layer, warmer and has melted rock. Core, center layer, very, very, very hot. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's move on. Earth's crust has mountains. A mountain is part of Earth's crust that is taller than what's around it. Look at this. Really tall. What's around it is not as tall, right? The crust that's around it is not as tall as this mountain. So a mountain is like a tall part of Earth's crust. Earth's crust has trenches in ocean bottoms. So this is a diver. It's a man or a woman, I guess, and they are in the ocean, the bottom of the ocean. But look, this goes deeper, deeper, deeper. This is called a trench. A trench is a deep, long, low area of land. Really, really, really deep. Remember, we were talking about something called the Mariana Trench in social studies, I think once. Anyway, this is a trench, a deep, long, low area in the bottom of the ocean, very, very low. The mountain is very high and the trench is very low. Mountain is high and trench is low. Okay, let's move on. What is a theory? Because we are talking about a theory called the theory of plate tectonics. What is a theory? A theory is an idea that explains how or why something happens. So maybe scientists are going, well, why is there so much coronavirus? Oh, because people are infecting each other. They're using that as a clue to what happened. So scientists use evidence to support their theory. Well, what is evidence? Evidence means information or facts that support your theory. So if you're thinking, well, coronavirus spreads when people breathe on each other, how do you know that? Well, you know, every time somebody's breathed on another person, if somebody's sick and they breathe on you and you breathe in that sick air, you get sick. So that's their evidence, okay? That's like an example or information that says, oh yeah, that's how coronavirus passes. So anyway, a theory is an idea that explains how or why something happens. Evidence is the information you use to go, see, I told you my idea is right, and this is my proof. Okay, last slide. What is the theory of plate tectonics? The theory of plate tectonics explains how mountains and trenches are made. Remember, mountains and trenches. This theory explains how they're made. And we're not going to talk about how they're made. We're just telling you a little bit about the theory today, and then we'll talk about it next time. The theory states that the plates on Earth do not stay in one place. Heat from the mantle causes the plates to move. So states means says. So the theory says that the plates on Earth do not stay in one place. So we know that the plates are moving. Remember, we saw earthquakes and volcanoes. We know the crust is moving, right? And the crust is made of plates. And why are the plates moving? Because heat from the mantle causes the plates to move. So look at this. This is a picture from your book. The warm, soft rock from the mantle goes up, and the cool, hard rock sinks down. So the warm, soft rock rises, and the cooler rock sinks because it's thick and heavy. Okay? So I know we have a lot of words. Just do your best and look at the translation documents on Schoology if you do not understand. That's it for our lesson. Let's look at our assignment. Okay, so here is our assignment. Science assignment, theory of plate tectonics. Decide if the following statements are true or false. Number one, the plates in Earth's crust never move. So that means the plates stay exactly where they are. They never, ever, ever go anywhere. Is that true? Number two, the mantle has warm, soft rock. True or false? Number three, a trench is a deep, long, low area of land. Yep, it can be in the ocean because there's land in the ocean. Don't let that word throw you off, okay? Number four, the theory of plate tectonics explains how rivers and lakes formed. True or false? Fill in the blanks with words from the word bank. Word bank, crust, mountain, theory of plate tectonics. Okay, number five, a theory that explains how mountains and trenches are made. Pick one of those words. Number six, the outer layer of Earth. Pick one of those words. Number seven, part of Earth's crust that is taller than what's around it. Pick one of those words. That's it for today's lesson. Good luck on the assignment. See you next time.